Let's see how Airbnb host can save time and efforts by using an AI chatbot to respond to customers' questions. So here I have some information about a specific property right here. So Sunset Haven apartment, which has all the information about that specific property, and it can actually include any sort of frequently asked questions as well. So here let's see how to use this particular information to build an AI chatbot which can simply answer to the customer's questions over there. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So this can simply work on any of these connected channels right here. For example, let's see a live demo on how to use this on the WhatsApp business over there. So first of all, you need to actually connect your WhatsApp business over here. Otherwise, you can actually create a new one as well. So here we have connected one right here, and you also need to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform as well. So click on integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT, but you can also use other AI models as you like as well. So let's imagine we are going to use OpenAI, and here you need to actually connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So click on learn more over here, where you will see a step-by-step guide on how to use the OpenAI, and also here you have a link to grab the API keys directly from the OpenAI platform as well. So once you have connected the API keys from the OpenAI platform, you can actually build any sort of AI chatbot to answer the customer's question. So here, if you go to the flow section, we have actually built one over here, which is called as Airbnb support plus human agent transfer. So what happens is that it will simply answer the customer's question based on the information we have provided right here. Suppose if a particular customer's question is not found, it will simply transfer that particular conversation to the agent, where they can jump in and respond to them as well. So it actually saves time for them by responding to the frequently asked questions again and again as well. Suppose if it is not found there, it will simply transfer the conversation silently to the agent as well. So here it says you are a helpful assistant to this particular apartment. Respond to the customer's question 1 to 2 sentences. Respond with null if a customer's question can't be answered using the provided business information. Do not create a response on your own. So here, this is the business information about that particular property right here. So here we actually use an OpenAI action to generate a response. If it is successful, we actually check the AI output is null or not. So here, if we check this OpenAI action, here the response is saved in the AI output field. So if it is not null, that means we can actually send that response to the customer. So if it is null, that means AI cannot respond to the customer's question, and we simply transfer the conversation to human. And here auto assign the conversation to any of these admins as well. So here, if you want to assign this conversation always to one admin, you can simply use assign conversation to an admin and choose the admins you want to assign. So let's say I want to always assign the conversation to Stella James. So let me delete this action. So assign the conversation will be always to the Stella James over here. All right. So let me publish this one and make this particular flow as the default flow as well. So let me go to the settings over here and make this particular flow as a default flow. All right, it's already set up as a default flow. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So here we are going to test this on the WhatsApp, but this can actually work on other channels as well. So here let me open this particular business information as well. All right, so let me share my phone screen over here. I'm in the WhatsApp over here, and let me ask a question over here. Do you have 24-hour check-in facilities? If so, how to check in? So here they can check in 24 hours through self check-in smart lock. So here, yes, you can check in anytime after 3 p.m. using the self check-in via smart lock. The code will be shared with you via Airbnb messaging 24 hours before the arrival. Simple as that. So here you can also ask any sort of question about the Wi-Fi password as well. So let me ask, what is the Wi-Fi password? So here the Wi-Fi password is welcome home 2024. So let's see. So this is the Wi-Fi password, simple as that. So likewise, any questions a particular customer or guest asked right here, simply answered using the AI over here. So here they have information about the nearby attractions and services as well. So let me ask about the grocery store. Is there a grocery store nearby? Because I want to get some things. So here I am asking about the grocery store nearby. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving. So it should recommend them trade use 5-minute walk, and the Whole Foods is a 10-minute drive from the apartment. And here they have information about the host as well. So here let me ask a question which is not found in this particular business information. So for example, when this apartment was started. So let me say, so I'm actually asking from when this particular apartment was rented. So here we don't have that particular information right here, so it won't actually send us a response. But instead, if you go to the inbox where you can track all the conversation, and here it's actually assigned to Stella James over here. And as you can see here, this is transferred to the human as well. So here, if you go to the human folder, we should see this particular conversation right here. So from this particular inbox, an agent can respond to them. So let me say, we are servicing the guest from 2010. So here I'm sending a response to the particular inbox, and here we will receive it right here as well. So now if I transfer the conversation back to the bot, so here if you go to the all conversation or bot conversation, now you can see the bot is active is right here. So now if a particular customer asks any other question, what is the checkout time? It will simply respond to them using the AI, because we already activated the AI as well. So the checkout time is 11 a.m. So this particular AI chatbot will help Airbnb host to save tons of time by responding to the questions automatically using the AI. And when required, it will automatically assign the conversation to the Airbnb agents, and they will get notified and they can simply respond to them as well. So that's a quick demo on AI chatbot for Airbnb host. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.